Hi friends, I'm Brandy. This is Now Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing that special Kickstarter deck called the SuperLunaris deck. It says please recycle the box, and ladies and gents, if there's one thing I'm good at, it's recycling these boxes. So this is a Kickstarter I got. This is one of the bonus items. It's a beautiful art print, very lovely. As you can probably tell, my tripod is still broken. This is a card holder key. Key-shaped card holder. It's smaller than I thought for sure. And it kind of works, so that's, you know, probably will work with the deck size. This is a bigger size than I think the deck is going to be. So I haven't opened it yet, so waiting for you guys. I like the picture though. See, this is a white wolf and a dark wolf. It's wrapped like a little present. I'm filming, bud. I'm filming. I'll be there in a little bit. So this is the SuperLunaris deck. This is the box. SuperLunaris belonging to a higher world, a 78 card deck. So let's dive in. Just peeling this wrapping off.
What do you film?
A deck. Can you put this in the garbage?
Okay.
Thank you. So it's got a little magnetic clasp, a little galaxy type inside. Ooh, so fancy. It's got this like pink, it's looking like rose gold, but it's pink edging. Oof. Here's the backs. It's got a little tiny insert there. So beautiful. Very pretty. Very pretty. I don't edge my deck, so this is all really nice when they come edged. So that's the... there we go. I just want to make sure that you get the whole thing in there. So that's the full. The Magician. I mean, I find this very, very beautiful. The High Priestess. Absolutely love that. The Empress. Wow, so beautiful. So verdant. The Emperor. The Hierophant, very cool. The Lovers. The Chariot, I love that. Love the representation. I like the dogs. I don't like cats as much. I definitely like the dogs. I would have, she's having the time of her life there. Beautiful. Strength, very lovely. The Hermit. I'm digging the whole vibe. I very much like the vibe of this deck. Obviously, that's why I bought it. The Wheel. So we have Taurus, Leo. I don't know, Virgo, I guess. Whoa! Stop making noise. I'm filming. Justice. My dog. The Hanged One. Death. So this one really hits home because we had some pretty terrible traumatic fires. And so you get the fire, and there's kind of like a shadow here, a shadow person here. And the Rebirth. Temperance. I like that. I definitely like this look of this card. The Devil, very, very interesting. I like that a lot. The Tower, interesting. Looks like the Washington Monument. The Star, beautiful. The Moon, there's our little dog, so that's what the sticker was, so it's the Moon card. Oh, I love it. It's a big, beautiful doggy and a big. I love this whole thing. It's beautiful, perfect. Judgment. The face here. It's like a keyhole face, and just very interesting. And the world, just beautiful. There's the eagle. There's the lion. There's the bull. It's like the angel. So very cool. Then it looks like we have wands. Pretty. Two of wands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like, and this is my favorite kind of symbolism. 9, 10. Page. Knight. Queen. Beautiful. Queen of Wands. And the King. Little salamander. Very cool. We have the Ace of Cups. The Two of Cups. That's the picture that I got. Oh, look at these beautiful, happy ladies. Look. Look. Talking to you, Dee. Beautiful. I love it. They look so happy. 4 of Cups. Very nice. 5. Not getting a happy vibe from this. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Beautiful, happy family. The Page. The Knight. The Queen. Look at that beauty. The King. Love it. Then we have swords. The Ace. The 2. The 3. 4. I love the light. Very beautiful. The 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Page. Knight. Queen. King. And then Pentacles. The Ace. The 2. The 3. 4. 5. Very good imagery. I like that. 6. 7. 8. 9. Look at that white hair. Beautiful. And the owl. 10. Look at that. Beautiful. Family. So beautiful. Love it. The Page. The Knight. Beautiful. The Queen, oh, so beautiful. And the King, very nice. I love it. Then we're back to the Fool. Love it! Worth every penny. Very excited to work with it. Let's take a look at this little booklet. Very, very sparse. Suit of Wands, Suit of Cups, Suit of Swords, Suit of Pentacles. Just brief little blurbs about each. And then brief little blurb about each of the major arcana. And that's it. So this was the SuperLunaris tarot deck. I got it on a Kickstarter. I'll leave the information in the description below. I'm super, super pleased with it. I feel like it is very nice and diverse and inclusive deck. I mean, is it completely? Nothing's going to be, I don't think, at this point. We're just starting to move in that direction, but I certainly love it. And I like the way that it feels and the way that it's going. So, tell me what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.